we're continuing to learn about each U.S. state in alphabetical order. Last state, of course, was Arizona. So that means this state is Arkansas.
Daddy, it's Arkansas, not Arkansas.
Okay, girls, so if I understand you, the name of the state is the French spelling of a Native American word that's actually pronounced Arkansas.
Right. We need to teach him everything. It's time for some amazing fun facts about the state. Let's do it.
The town of Stuttgart has the World Championship duck calling contest. I'm gonna play a duck calling noise and then I'm gonna see if you guys can copy it. Are you guys ready? You sound like a sick lamb.
Now you sound like a screaming Elise. Trying to make a duck sound. Okay, let's locate Arkansas on a map. It's bordered by Louisiana to the south, Texas to the southwest, Oklahoma to the west, Missouri to the north, as well as Tennessee and Mississippi on the east. The capital is Little Rock. Other big cities are Fort Smith, Fayetteville, Springdale, and Jonesboro. Arkansas became the 25th state in 1836.
Arkansas is one of the few places in North America where diamonds are present. It has the only place, the Crater of Diamonds State Park, where tourists can actually go and hunt for diamonds. Do you think you guys would want to hunt for diamonds in the state park?
Yeah.
State vegetable?
Pink tomato.
State fruit?
Pink tomato. A tomato is technically a fruit.
State mammal?
The white-tailed deer. Aww.
State insect?
The honeybee. Arkansas is called the natural state because it's filled with nature. The state contains 7 national parks, 2.5 million acres of national forest, and 52 state parks. And a river runs through it, the Arkansas River. It's the longest stream to flow into the Mississippi. Arkansas is also home to lots of caves, such as Blanchard Springs Caverns. Speaking of springs, it's famous for its natural hot springs. That's how the town of Hot Springs got its name. Milk is the official state beverage.
I kind of wish it was chocolate milk.
Regular milk is healthier than chocolate milk, I think.
But chocolate milk is good for the soul.
The town of Mountain View is one of the largest producers of dulcimers in the world. What's a dulcimer? The town of Alma claims to be the spinach capital. Little Rock Central High School was where desegregation began, an important moment in the United States Civil Rights Movement. Razorback football is super popular, so when you go there, wear cardinal red. Arkansas is home to rotary tiller racing.
Girls, do you know what else they race in Arkansas?
Cows.
No.
No. Honeybee racing.
They race outhouses.
Ew! Pine Bluff is famous for making archery bows. Speaking of archery, she does archery. There are also some amazing buildings in Arkansas. Bentonville has the Crystal Bridges Museum. It's filled with beautiful American art. Arkansas also has the Thorn Crown Chapel, one of the most extraordinary churches in the world. And a man started a small store in Bentonville, Arkansas, and it doesn't seem that amazing at first. But it became the largest store in the world.
Can you guess what store that might be?
McDonald's!
No, that's a good guess.
That's not
That's a
the
good guess.
store, though.
Well,
Is it a food store?
It has food in the store. What's the biggest store that you know about?
Walmart.
Walmart. It was the first Walmart. Sam Walton started Walmart with a tiny store in Bentonville, and he did it with a loan of $20,000 from his father-in-law. That's not a lot of money.
That was a good investment. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to stay tuned for our next video of California. Ruff, ruff. Bye-bye. Angel, look at the camera.
Nice work!
It's keeping it up. Other side. Stop. Take it out.
Arkansas.
The most important piece in our puzzle is you. Be sure to like. Tell us what you think. And share us with your friends. And of course, subscribe.